session, we will be 3D printing out our office model. The moment it gets printed out, we would be hands-on painting the different walls as per the renderings we created in the previous lecture. It is really amazing to see how we can make miniature prototypes of houses or layouts we have always envisioned of our dream home. We would also be printing out all the nitty-gritties and little things from couches to tables to office desks to anything we imagine we need in our office plan. And then we will take a complete look at the most amazing design that is created using 3D